Imagine making a difference in every child's life you touch. Imagine educating the whole child through their mind, their body, and their emotions, healing them from the inside out and making them whole. Imagine a child having unconditional love for themselves at the very beginning of their life. Imagine teaching them how to be resilient. Imagine giving them the power to empower themselves. Imagine transforming education as we know it today, giving our children the tools to thrive and blossom into happier, healthier adults. Loving themselves first, and all their education will be that much easier. I do believe with all my heart and soul, we are that change. The Hip Hop Healthy Heart Program for Children have created these tools to give this amazing gift to our children and to their future. Together, we will create a circle of wellness that lasts a lifetime. Let's all reach for that highest star. Let's dream huge. We are that difference. Let's restore our kids' future. Together, we will build a healthier future for our children, the future of our world. Thank you for you.